Hey, this is Terry Coatney, Coldwell Banker Realty with offices in Marietta, Ohio, and in Vienna, West Virginia. Um, you can go on YouTube now and you can just about find anything. You could probably find out how to do brain surgery on Google, YouTube, but would you really want to do that? I don't think so. Well, when you're selling your home, you really need to know all the details about a sales contract. And it's 300 lines long and there's 5 pages to it, and it covers just a whole lot of different things. So really take a good look at it and dive into it and make sure that you talk to your realtor about each one of those certain areas and how it would affect you and the buyer or the seller as you work through the sale of your home, which is such a huge transaction. So let's just go over what's on page 4 now. So on page 4 of the contract, there's things like, is there free gas coming with the property? Or is there oil and gas mineral rights coming with the property? Yes or no, those boxes are checked. Is there a timber reservation that's already been sold to somebody? Because surface rights and mineral rights are two different things. And then there's a list of documents that should have accompanied or could accompany the contract. Those documents are the property disclosures, addendum concerning contingency, perhaps the buyer needs to sell a home or close a home. Is there a home warranty that comes with it? These boxes are yes and no. Is there a corporate rider? Is there an addendum concerning the reservation of any of the oil and gas? Was the oil and gas mineral notice that was given to you so that you would understand the surface and the mineral rights are two different things? And if the house was built before 1978, it is the seller's responsibility to make sure that the buyer gets a lead-based paint declaration. And of course, the realtor will take care of that for you. And is there any other addendums that come with the contract? Then the buyer is obligated to be able to insure the property in a certain number of days. Condition of the property, it needs to be the same, and it should be inspected and so forth. And it could be the boxes that there are at closing or when the seller vacates the property. Then also there's a buyer's final walkthrough that is provided. He has the right then to take one final look at it right before the closing so that he can see that it's just like it was when he wanted to buy it. And then there's a definition of terms. So all of those things are part of page 4 of the contract. And next we'll talk about page 5 of the contract. And in between time, if you're buying or selling and you want to have some more information about the contract, don't hesitate to contact me and we'll chat. Have a great day.